Okay, so the closet shoe situation is a mess and we can't have that anymore. I saw these things on Amazon. I've had my eye on them for a while. They finally went on sale, and so I snatched up 2 packs of 6. So I've got 12, and I'm going to make this a thing where I'm never gonna have more shoes than what can fit in there and in my little thing right there, which it's a mess on top. Don't even look, but you can pull it out and store shoes in there. So that's gonna be a little rule of thumb. Hopefully I don't even fill them all. I honestly don't know how many shoes I have, and I know like boots won't fit in them, but it's okay. All right, we're just gonna figure it out, but we are going to put them together and revamp the bottom of my closet. Let's go. Okay, hopefully my nails won't break off, but let's be honest, they probably will. All right, let's unbox. Oh, come on. Whew. Okay, here they are. Boom. Okay, I went and grabbed scissors just for everybody's safety. Let's cut into these. Okay, so it looks like each box is individually packaged. So that's nice. Okay, so like honestly, I just want to start with these 6 because if I'm crazy and like more than 6 can't fit in there, then I'm just going to return this box, okay? So we're just going to build the 6 now and see how it fits. I don't know what these little things are going to be for, but probably important. I should probably look at instructions. I don't want to. Okay. Door, bottom A and top, they seem the same. Then we fold this up and we put this one in. Install the door with caution. Ew. And it's like a magnet that helps attach it. Oh my gosh, love. Let's put our first pair of shoes in. These Ugg doos from Shein. Oh my gosh, how freaking cute. Yes. Ah, okay, 5 more and then 6 more, hopefully. Okay, I've got all 6 built, and I realized what these things were. I'm an idiot. They are to go in the sides or the tops so that you can like stack these and they'll stay attached, which is really cool. I already have them in this one. I guess they just like sit on so then like they can still come up, but they don't slide around, which is awesome. So let's see about how we want these ones in the closet, and then I'll see if I have room for the other 6, or at least most of it, because then I can just, like, if I can't fit all 12 in there, I can fit the other ones like under my bed or something. But yeah, let's see. It's a bit dark down here, I apologize, but let's start taking some shoes out. Here's the big reason why I wanted this. Look how dusty shoes get just sitting there. We can't have that, you know, it ruins shoes. And shoes cost a lot of money, so you want to take care of those shoes as much as possible. I need to vacuum this out before I put these things down. I mean, look how dusty. Oh, can you see? Makes me so sad. I need to figure out how to clean that kind of material, you know? Those are all tall boots that will not fit in there anyways. So let me go get a vacuum this out, and I'll be right back. I'm being lazy. Let me just go ahead and take these out. No room. You know how scared I am to find a spider back here? Okay. Okay. Okay, here's how it's looking so far. I definitely have room for more. I'm liking the 4 across. I have to make 6 more of these.
A few moments later.
Okay, I finished putting together the last 6. Here's how it's looking so far. Like, I don't know. I know not all of my shoes are going to fit in there correctly. Like, these are meant to be taller than the normal ones, but I still have shoes that are going to be too tall. So I don't know if I'll put them in sideways or if they'll just go on top. But I'm thinking I'm going to fill them up before I put in those little things to make them stick together, because I don't fully know if I'm going to make them all straight across or have them staggered like this. But we will see, I think, based on what fits in the boxes. So I'm going to do that now. I'm tired and sick of this already. Okay. See, like these heels, I don't know if they're going to fit. So let's just see. Nope. So maybe I'll do them sideways, because then they're still being protected. Not as pretty, but it'll do. Next pair of heels. Those fit. Okay, all the wedges are in. Yay! These desperately need to be cleaned, but I will do that another time. Okay, well, they're all full. That's a little problematic. Okay, so something that I do with my tall boots to keep them from doing this when they're being stored, I have these things here, and I will link them below. They're from Amazon, and you basically fold them up like this, stick them in. They come in a few different sizes, and voila, they hold the boot right on up. I love these things. So, let's see where we're going to put these. Here. How's that look? I don't know. I don't know. But I do think it looks better than it did with them just all strewn about and then, you know, them getting dusty. This is much better. But now I need to put all the little things in them. Yay. Gosh, okay, finally I'm done. That was annoying. That was really annoying, but it's okay. I'm done. The closet's done. I am very happy with it, so I do highly recommend these. I will link them down below along with the things that go inside the boots there, because that's a real boot saver. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you like the closet. There's more I want to do, so this part 3 might turn into a part 4 one day, but for now I'm gonna stop. It's as good as it's gonna get. Right now I have other priorities, so part 3, I don't think it's final though. Anyways, thanks for watching. I have my other parts linked right here if you want to go binge a little bit. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. Thank you again so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.